Kuromi-san, Corona, have you thought about doing any collab with the Hololive EN girls? I appreciate you jumping between Japanese and English. I do want to collab with the ENs. Ask them! Because I do want to do it, so ask them. You'll see why it's not happening. I don't know. Maybe they're too shy to collab. Maybe they are. Or someone is stopping us from collab. Ooh. Yeah. Guess someone hates me! Hippity hoppity, you're now my property! It'll be great to see you cooperate with Hololive again. Hope we can see it in the future. I hope so too. I hope. I want to. But, right now? Maybe, I don't know. They have to be defensive because, you know, the things that happened to me. So, I won't blame anyone if, they don't want to collab with me. I'm not gonna blame anyone. Because if it was, me in the Hololive EN and it was someone like me wanted to collaborate with me, maybe me or my manager say no. No, it's too dangerous. Don't do that. I get it. It's okay to be defensive because we're working as a team. Don't cry.
Reddit meme review. Oh, I would love to be in the Reddit meme review. And I hope we can collab sometime soon. Hopefully. Orange woman collab. Well, I'll just say that. I think no one from the HoloEN girls is against collabing with her. I don't think anyone is against it. I think we all kind of want to do it.
Coco ちゃん裏でカリオペちゃんとかと話してるの？あ、めっちゃ話してますよ。うん。カリオペちゃんとか、キアラちゃんとか、サメちゃんとかとは裏でめっちゃ話す。実は。言わなかったかな今まで。うん。普通に話します。全然普通に話します。なので、英語、もちろん英語だね。わざわざ日本語で話さんね。私のさ、顔のね、バージョン2が出た時も、キルココが、ほら、可動域が上がった時もね、キアラちゃんがね、ほら、キアラちゃんあれ、キャッフィーパパじゃない？だから、あ、同じパパやなって話して。そう、ただ普通に話してるね。キアラちゃんからね。Congratulations for your nose job! って、鼻整形おめでとうって来て。鼻整形。そう、整形したんだよって話をね。
I got a message on Discord. What could it be? I got a message from Coco senpai. You guys are going crazy just because of that. Orange friends. She should join Orange. Orange friends. Orange is between me and Nana. She is very orange. And she is a friend. If I may call her friend. There might be a collaboration next month. I mean, I know we talked about collabs and stuff before, but we got permission. So, yatta!
And also, I'm on the meme review. I just don't think that my knowledge of memes, that's how you pronounce it, right? It's not meme, it's meme. I know that. I'm glad it's happening. I really am. It's gonna be on Coco Senpai's channel. Check it out. I'm a little nervous because this is the first This is the first time that anyone from my branch has, stepped out to do a collab like this. But the nervousness is more about the amount of people watching. Because so many people are excited, and I wanna be a good, a good like first impression to the EN branch, But dang, you guys, I and the others really wanted this, we really wanted this. And so immediately, as soon as it was like, hey, all cool to collab with Coco, I immediately messaged Kaicho and I was like, hey, wanna do something? And she was like, hey, meme review, and I was like, okay. Sure. I'm glad that she's excited. I think I said this a long time ago, but back even when I knew nothing about Hololive, and I was looking up the clips and whatnot, I just felt so like inspired when I was watching clips of Coco Senpai, and I was like, hey, I want to be like her. She's dope. She works super hard. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Ah!
Calliope Mori came to Reddit shitpost review, guys!
Yeah, Gambaru!
Yay! Let's fuck Yago! Let's fuck Yago! Yeah,
No, wait, no, I actually...
Let's fuck
Hold on.
Yago! Yeah, let's
Wait.
fuck it together!
No, wait, no, I don't... Oh, man.
一緒にやれば怖くないよ Yeah!
Wait.
Fuck it,
Oh,
fuck it,
God.
fuck it,